Kilo Charlie 1, something Juliet, try again. Still don't have it. Kilo Charlie 1, is it Foxtrot Tango Juliet? Alright, KT1 FTJ, Arizona Grant, Alpha Hotel Mike. Roger, Massachusetts, 73, QRZ, Nancy 7 Alpha.
November 8, November Kilo.
The 8 November Kilo, what's the prefix?
November 8, November Kilo, November 8, November Kilo.
November 8, November Kilo, 59 Arizona Grant, Alpha Hotel Mike.
QSL, please copy 59 Michigan, 59 Michigan, over.
Roger, Roger, 73.
73.
7 Alpha.
There you go, man. There you go, Arizona, first call, man. After having called, I won't say her call sign, I think it was Amanda at Ham Nation, working just reams and reams of hams. And at times she wasn't 20 over and unworkable, but she was S9 and unworkable at times. Anyway, cool.
For 7QP, QRZ.
November 8, November Kilo.
7QP, QRZ. Zulu Whiskey for 7QP, QRZ.
November 8, November Kilo.
My parrot, I punched the button and I only got a partial. Again, sir. QRZ.
November 8, November Kilo.
Okay, November 8, November Kilo, 59 Wyoming, Laramie, LA.
QSL, thank you. Please copy 59 Michigan, 59 Michigan, 59 in the state of Michigan, running 10 watts with a 6-foot high antenna, over.
6-foot high antenna, I Roger, Michigan for QTH, your real report, Sierra 7. Audio and S7, over.
QSL, I thank you, sir. Have fun, and good luck with your contest, 73, and good night from November 8, November Kilo.
Okay, and good night from Cheyenne, Wyoming. Got it. Word, fine business. November 7. Many zebras walking, who's what? Barefoot. ZS6BKW up about 40 feet running north-south from 6,053 feet elevation in Laramie County, Wyoming. Mike Zulu Whiskey contest. November 7, Mike Zulu Whiskey test. November 7, I'm looking at my...
Now that's an awesome contact right there. November 7, Mike Zulu Whiskey. I thank you, good man, my good man, kind sir, for putting up with that little crap signal. 10 watts, actually about 12 watts PEP with my chaos wire, my Desperation antenna. And I think that's the answer to the question. If you're desperate and you can only get a piece of wire up 6 feet high, can you talk to anybody and see what the hell happened? There's a couple contacts. I don't know if I should post them tonight or let them pile up. We'll see. Anyway, 73.
Good luck. November 7, Alpha Tango. Whiskey 4, Sierra Fox Golf, 59 Alpha Zulu, Mike Charlie Papa. Golf Alpha, thanks. November 7, Alpha Tango.
November 8, November Kilo, QRP.
November 8, November Kilo, thank you. You're 59 Alpha Zulu, Mike Charlie Papa.
QSL, thank you. You are 5'9" Michigan, 5'9" Michigan, using 10 watts and a 6-foot high antenna, 73.
73, thank you very much. Good luck. November 7, Alpha Tango.
And I appreciate the contact, I do, man. Yeah. Hello? 10 watts PEP and a 6-foot high antenna. It'll never cease to amaze me how I elicit no comment. No comment. And by the way, let's look at the power level again, because I forget if I was just using 10 or 20. And don't mind my furnace in the background. Yeah, I was using 12 watts. It was set to 12 watts PEP. And I tried calling her, for about 20 minutes on and off, a little while ago, and I couldn't get heard. I had too much competition or whatever, and she wasn't as strong back then either. But there you go. November 7 Alpha Tango is her call. Thank you. If you ever stumble across this terrible video, you poor soul, November 7 Alpha Tango, hey man, thanks, man. That was cool. That was fun. I worked my butt off. I called, hey dude, if you see this video, lady, November 7 Alpha Tango lady, I called you for half an hour and you never heard me. 73.